Hi, my name is DatT, and this is my project 10. So this is my file structure. This is my main activity. This is another activity that I created. This is an adapter, another adapter in the class that I created. This is my layout structure. That and the card view. So I'm going to demonstrate the project 10. So I'll start from 1 to 10. Then I'll play it, and now I will leave the activity, and then it should pause at 3. Now I'm going to go back to it, and then go back to 4, 5, 6, and 7, and I can increment while the async task is running in the background. So I can try that again. Here it's running, and I increment. So that's it for my project 10. The additional feature that I added in this project is that when I click on this luggage right here, there's a hidden button. So it opened up another activity, and it show the item that is in the luggage. And then I can scroll to different item to see which set of clothes I would like to buy or wear. And that's it for my project 10. Thank you for listening.